Preservationists and developers, an age-old feud. One guards provenance, while the other chases possibility. But what happens when a house straddles both worlds? In Lake Oswego, Oregon, that unlikely détente unfolds here. The low-slung lakefront residence was the penultimate commission of Wade Hampton Pipes, a pivotal voice in Oregon's arts and crafts movement. Pipes designed everything: structure, landscape, furnishings, finishes. A total work of art completed in 1954. By 2018, the custom furniture and built-ins Pipes had crafted were missing. Wood trim warped. Windows were cracked. What remained was a shadow of its former significance and a pressing dilemma: let it crumble in the name of purity, or resuscitate it at the risk of surrendering its historic badge. Enter the current owner, who opted for restoration. He enlisted architect Kurt Olson and invited scrutiny from the National Register. Rather than argue, the trio collaborated. Floors became rift-sawn white oak, their grain a subtle compass guiding the eye. A linear fireplace now slices through a Vermont black granite feature wall. At the center, a quartzite island, crystal pearl with a waterfall edge and velvet finish, anchors the kitchen. Glass sliders open the living area and release it to a discreet gallery walkway leading the new wing. There, the primary bedroom is warmed by another linear fireplace, this one wrapped in vein-cut marble. 3 towering windows frame the lake like a triptych. In the bath, heated large-format tile floors lead to an Oceania soaking tub poised before a Pietra gray marble backdrop. 1 floor down, a pavilion for entertaining opens to a hardscape patio and pool. After 4 years of work, the 6,140 square foot home is now being offered for sale at $10.4 million. All told, the project is both resurrection and evolution.